In this lecture, we will discuss about material scope and applicability of GDPR. As per Article 2.1, GDPR is applicable in following two situations. First situation, when personal information is processed by some automated means. Automated means here indicates use of computer or machines to process the information. Please note, GDPR will apply even if processing is not automated in case personal information is organized in a structured way like a filing system. Let us understand this with an example. A doctor writes health information of a patient into a paper form. This form is then stored in hospital's paper filing system, where each patient's papers are stored according to their last and first name. GDPR has some exceptions and does not apply in certain cases as described in Article 2.2. Let us discuss the exclusion. GDPR will not be applied for the activities outside European Union law. GDPR will also not be applied when a country's government is using personal data for specific activities. GDPR will not be applied if an individual is using personal data only for their personal or household needs. GDPR will not be applied when law enforcement agencies are using personal data to prevent or investigate crimes. Let us now discuss some important aspect of Article 2. Please note that GDPR will also apply to non-automated processing if the personal data forms part of a filing system. Filing system indicates storage of data in a structured method. Now, let us recap some of the important aspects of Article 2 by way of multiple choice questions. Let us discuss the first question. Which of the following processes will have application of GDPR? Correct answer is option C. That is both A and B. GDPR applies to both automated means and also processing of personal data which form part of a filing system. Please note that GDPR will not apply to personal or household activities or processes. Next question. Under what circumstances does the GDPR not apply to the processing of personal data? Correct answer is option A. That is, in the course of purely personal or household activity. Please note, following are the areas where GDPR will not be applicable. Next question. You are a data protection officer of HDA. The company processes personal data using both automated and manual methods and maintains these records in a structured filing system. Does GDPR apply to the processing of this data? Correct answer is option A. That is, GDPR applies because data is part of filing system. Please note that GDPR applies to the processing of personal data whether it is done by automated means or by any other means as long as it forms part of a structured filing system. Let us discuss the next question. Mr. Denny, a resident of London, processes the personal data for personal tasks at home. Does GDPR apply to this situation? Correct answer is option B. That is, GDPR will not apply to personal or household activities. Please note that GDPR does not apply to processing of personal data by a natural person in the course of purely personal or household activity. That's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching.